Hello, everyone. It is Annie with LuLaRoe Annie and Johnston, and I am so excited to share with you our new shopping platform, which is called Roe With Me. It is so user-friendly, saves me tons of time every week, and most importantly, no more Facebook jail! Woohoo! Okay, I'm just going to get right to it and show you how this amazing interface works. So every Sunday, I'm going to post a graphic and a link to the party. So you'll click on that. Click. And then this will pop up here. So you're thinking, what do I do now? Before the party starts, the first thing you always want to do is log in. If it's your first time shopping with us, you'll just have to create a user real quick. So you go up to the corner here and you click log in. You can simply log in with Facebook, or another thing that's awesome is if you don't have a Facebook, you can click here and just sign in with your email, which is awesome because not everyone has Facebook. So I do. So I'm just going to click log in with Facebook. As you can see here in the corner now, you are now logged in. If you click profile, you can add a picture, you can change your name. Oops. You can type in your email and you can update your address. Okay, so how to shop. If you go up here and click help, it'll bring you a little tutorial, but I'm going to go through everything right now. But at any point, if you're confused, you can always click the help button and it'll show you how to work. So the first thing that'll show up is all this info I put in here on the main page. So I have some helpful graphics here. The first reminder is that this platform works best on Google Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome, it's a free download, but it's really fast on it and it seems to have the best results. And the creator of this platform, Ryan himself, said that. So I'm going to trust a judgment and use Google Chrome every time I shop, whether that's an app on my phone or I'm using the computer. If at any point you are having trouble, you can always refresh your browser. This one here is a very important box. If at any point you're having trouble, you find this picture, type in your question, and I get a little ping notification in my email and on my app saying that you asked a question. So I know to quickly come in here and help you out. And then I have the fit and sizing guide that I always put in. Okay, you're ready to shop. What do you do? Okay, this is how awesome this page is. So right here, you click and look at that. It's going to show you every style I have. I broke down the leggings into prints and solids for the tall and curvy in the one size. And then I have the 2 kid sizes listed there. And as you can see, it's just got every style available. So let's say you want a Carly. Ding! You're on the Carly page. It'll automatically start listing all of the Carlys I have. But let's say you just want to shop for your size. Maybe you're a medium. So then what do? You go right here and you click medium. And it'll show you all the different Carlys. Look how awesome that is. So let's say you want this one right here. You click claim. Success. You are in line for that Carly. How cool is that? You don't have to type sold anymore. All you have to do is click claim. Let's say you want this one. How pretty is that? You can be my twin. But look at this. It already says one in line. So what do you do now? You click next. And it'll tell you you are in line for that Carly. And in fact, it'll tell you what place in line you are. So that way, if someone passes, it's on you. So let's say you're shopping and you decide, oh, I don't know if I want that one Carly anymore. I think I'm going to pass. How do you do that? You just click pass. And it'll ask, are you sure you want to do this? And you just click yes, if you're sure. And then you're out of line again. At any point, if you want to see more detail, you can click on a picture and it'll make it a little bit bigger. And it'll also have that claim button and a comment button. So if you have any questions about if this stretchy, what kind of material it is, you can just comment here. Is this stretchy? Oops. And then it'll ping me and let me know that you asked a question. Or more so, it'll say that you commented on it. So then I'll look and see if you asked a question. Let's say you want one of the amazing Cassie skirts. And maybe you're, I don't know, a 2XL. Oh, look how pretty this is. And you look at it and you're like, oh no, is that black or navy? You can look down and maybe, oh look, somebody already asked that. So it'll let you know if there's a comment, and maybe you have the same question. Let's see. Maybe you want to claim this one too. Success. You're in line. And maybe you want to get, what else do we want? A classic tea. And let's say you're a extra large classic tea. Maybe you want this gorgeous thing here. Oh, success. Okay, you're ready to check out. What do you do now? Before you check out, maybe you're thinking to yourself, I think I just went crazy and ordered like 20 things. What do I have in my shopping cart before I check out? You click up here, my items, and it'll tell you everything that you have claimed so far. I claimed some stuff before I clicked this, so it's in there too. And it'll tell you what you're in line for, so you're second in line for that. It'll show you the amount for how much you've claimed, and then what you do is you click down here on the little moving truck, or delivery truck, I should say. It'll ask you to select your shipping options. If you were less than $100 but more than 2 items, it'll be $6. If you were 1 item, it's $3. And if you spent over $100, which this person did, you're going to get free shipping. Make sure it's your right shipping address. Definitely make sure your invoice email is accurate, because if it's not, I cannot invoice you. This form here is going to take the place of the Google Doc, so no more filling out the Google Doc. I know it's kind of a pain. So it'll ask you who your host is. If you had a host, select it. I'll ask you your Facebook name. If your shipping name is different, type that in here. It'll ask you if you have any Lulacash or discounts with me and how many items you purchased. It'll ask you if you want to be awesome and host a party with me. It'll be even more awesome and ask you if you want the best job in the world and becoming a LuLaRoe consultant. If you say no, it's not going to hurt my feelings. And then I like knowing what styles you like. So I like to ask what your favorite style is. So that way, if it's a style I carry, I can maybe add a few more in my stock to that, so you have a bigger selection. And then anything else you want to know, if you have any questions, maybe if the item's going to be for someone else's birthday, let me know, and I can always do a little bit of wrapping for you. And then it'll either say, I'm done shopping, or you want to continue shopping. If you're done shopping, click I'm done shopping. If you're not done shopping, click continue shopping. Let's say you are done shopping. Great, we'll let the consultant know. And what that does is it sends me a notification and says, guess what? They're done. And then if you're not done, there's a thing that says, wait, I changed my mind. I still want to shop. And then you can click that. And it'll let me know, just kidding, they weren't done yet. And always as a reminder down here, I let you know to always read the wash instructions on your clothes. That's it. I get the notification you're done shopping. I go into Audrey. I invoice you. You check your email, hopefully before the next morning, and you get your invoice. If ever you don't get your invoice within those first 24 hours, let me know right away, because I always invoice the night of. If you order something that Sunday night, it's going to be in your inbox come Monday morning. So if you don't have the invoice, please reach out to me and let me know right away. I always try to have the size charts at the beginning, but if you have any questions on size, definitely let me know. So again, the most important buttons right here, find the style, right next to it, you find the size. Up at the top, you can ask for help. You can click my items and find out what you have in your shopping cart, and even the checkout form's right there, and it's also right here. And this is just a little button that lets you know your recent activity. If you were like, oh, where was that one Irma I wanted that I clicked on later? That's it. How awesome and easy and awesome again is this new program. I am really excited. I hope you love it. And if you have any questions, let me know. Bye.